cross, stop.
Come on, Dan, use those muscles.
Shedden, and then the Volkswagen side by side. Benani with the inside, Huff trying to come back around the outside so that he gets position for the tight turn 6, and then contact into the barriers. They go. Norby gets a hit. It is in fact Benani's car that basically almost came through Ted Björk's windscreen. Brief fire, as he said. He hit the extinguisher button that put everything out. And this is what it looked like from the next closest seat in the house. This is real speed. Where are you going? You try and avoid the accident, and it comes to find you. Slow start for Ivan Muller, ahead of Esteban Guerrieri. Guerrieri out-dragged as well by Gabriele Tarquini. Tarquini coming by John Philippi. And look how much you can see. Absolutely nothing. And then suddenly everything is stationary, and that was the hit. Guerrieri rather, shunted into the back, or into the side of the Golf, and the big hit from behind, I think, was a big concertina affair.
Yeah.
Jan Erlache's view.
Testament just how strong these cars are, and hopefully we'll await confirmation, but at the moment it looks like there's nobody with any serious injuries, but yeah, clearly a very, very big accident.
Yeah. It did look as though Ivan Muller was in second on the grid. Now, normally they'll try and select neutral in the gearbox. Oof. Barriers already ripped out there before he gets to the scene.
But for a position is Nico Curry. I'll explain why in a moment. Now, this is Twitter. It was the Verth corner, I was right. He goes through the gravel. He's back on the track, and Peter Lee is just unsighted, straight into the back. Corkscrews in the air. Piquet very nearly goes over as well, as he had a car knocked into his path. That is a monster. That's a huge, huge coming together, isn't it?
And as you say, it was dust, wasn't it?
Whoa! Whoa! боже, 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 боже. Господи. Ебать как тут. Боже, боже.
Он заснул. Он заснул.
Meu Deus.
Установлению лица, причастного к данному событиям в Кузбассе.
Недоразумение. Сейчас ты у меня попляшешь. Блядь.
Дебил, ёбаный по голове! Сука!
And everybody! Good. Oh, no. Are you kidding me? This is big. Wow. But it...
Ебать!
Прямо 6 километров.
Ебать! Вот это да, блядь!
You can see he went up, side draft to 17. Oh, did he and the 17 touch a little bit here? Yes. It looked like Kurt thought he could get clear and get down in front of Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Just wasn't quite there yet.
And Jamie McMurray in his final 500 could not avoid the 43 of Bubba Wallace.